Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we will be unboxing the Otterbox Symmetry Series for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So I got this from Amazon for $29.99 from Amazon. Today we'll be unboxing this thing and trying this phone case out. But before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here we are. Here's the packaging from Otterbox that you buy from Amazon.com. This is the Series Symmetry Plus for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at what it says. Symmetry Series Plus, drop plus, 3 times as many drops as the military standard. Here we have a different language. This has a seamless interaction with MagSafe charging and accessories. This is for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bottom side of the box. Here you can see all the legal information that is on the bottom. Here are the sides of the box. So this is more of an eco-friendly packaging, different from the retail packaging that you find at Target. So here is the back side of the box, which says a legendary Otterbox protection. This package is making strides towards sustainability. This is 100% recycled content. It has 30% post-consumer waste. And here's all the other information. Here it says, talks about auto cares. And yeah. So with that being said, let's go ahead and open up the box here. So we will be opening up from the top. Basically, you have to peel the top part of the box out. And here we are. And once you open up the box, here we are greeted by this message. Thank you for your purchase. And on the other side, here you have your limited warranty that is printed on the inside of the box. And let's pull out the phone case. Here's the phone case, the Symmetry Plus for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Here you have the MagSafe magnet that is infused inside this plastic case. Here we have a hard plastic touch, as you can see here, for demonstration purposes. And here's the inside, which is all plastic, including the one around the camera cutout. Here on the bottom side, here are your cutouts for your speaker and USB-C ports. Nothing on top. And the outer part of the case, on the side of the case, is all rubber, TPU material. Here you have your buttons. Here's your top part. And the sides. And here you have minimal Otterbox branding, which I really like the minimal design that comes from this series of case from Otterbox. And here is how the bend test that you can see from this case. It's really hard to bend. This is one of the harder cases. You can see the bend, and you can see how the sides of the cases have this rubber-like TPU material that is rubberized. So if you happen to drop it on the ground, you can rest assured that your phone is protected. So here is my iPhone 15 Pro Max, along with the Otterbox Symmetry Plus, and we're going to go ahead and install this. But before we do, I just want to mention on this iPhone 15 Pro Max, you can see that I installed the screen protector onto this phone. So here's a closer look of the screen protector. It really goes to the edge. The screen protector is from Otterbox. Otterbox also makes screen protectors, so why not use the same brand that I'm using using the case. So let me take out the packaging for the screen protector. This is from Otterbox Premium Glass. I got this on clearance for $12. This has a drop, survives drops up to 3 feet, and here are all the features for this particular screen protector. And it also comes with a tray, extra layer of durability, lasting antimicro properties, protect the screen protector, and you can scan the QR code if you want to learn more about the glass. And yeah, so lucky enough to find this on clearance and installed the screen protector. Now we're gonna go ahead and install, put on our Otterbox Symmetry Plus onto the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Here's a closer look again, and this should not have any issues of having the screen protector having conflict with the case. So this is how you would install it. Usually I would install it like this, and yeah. So here you can see the Otterbox that is installed, and you can see a closer look at the screen protector. It's really close to the edge of the edges of the case, which I like. 100% full protection, so no scratches to the phone, only scratches to the screen protector. And yeah, so let's go ahead and take a look at the sides. Here you can see the buttons that are on the left side of the phone. Here's the cutout on the back side, which has your 3 lenses. And here you can see the lip protection, so you can put this on the ground, put this on a surface without worrying that your lenses will be scratched. So you have a millimeter gap between the lenses and the surface that you'll lay it on. And here are the buttons, which works really well. The power button, and yeah, so you can see all the lip protection on the side. You can put this phone with the screen down or with the back side down. Here's the bottom side with the cutouts of the ports. Really exact and no issues about this case, and really like the hard touch feel of the case. And now let's go ahead and take out one of the accessories that I use for my iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is a MagSafe accessory from Anker. This is a wireless power bank, so this should work. You can see, let's go ahead and match up the magnet. And yeah, so it locks into place. And then here you can see that it is already charging. And yeah, it sticks onto the power bank from Anker, sticks on really well onto this Otterbox Symmetry Plus case. And yeah, so that's about it. If you liked this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below what you think about this case. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check my other YouTube content on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex, and I'll see you on the next one.